So this is going to be my makeshift ground blind setup at this abandoned house. I used an old dog box with a hole and flipped it up. I'm going to set behind it. I'm going to see if we can get away with this and see if we can't shoot a deer with the pistol tonight. The 500 Smith & Wesson is ready to eat. Let's see if I can't make this happen. I used some stuff laying around the house to make up a blind. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned for some Greene County redneck ingenuity. It paid off. Filled a doe tag with the 500 Smith & Wesson again. Love hunting with the handgun. Getting ready to go check on this shot here. So the deer usually come up out of this bottom here, out of these woods here, and come up in this field to feed. And I just come up and set right there and made that blind, and it paid off tonight. Go down here and see if we can find this doe. Alright, well, 500 Smith & Wesson drew some blood this evening, and we are on the blood trail. Yes, sir. Alright, well, there she is. She got piled up right there. Alright, good deal. Whew. Okay, well, here's the doe I was able to harvest this evening. It's November the 30th, 2023, and was able to get a shot with my 500 Smith & Wesson. And I came out here the other night, and I got busted sitting there beside that old house, and I was able to set up a ground blind using stuff laying around the house, and it worked out. So I was able to get a shot. So oh, it was a good hunt. But hey, thank you, and like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't tried hunting with a handgun, I suggest you give it a try. It's fun. It definitely is fun. So thanks again, and stay tuned for some more deer hunting action from Greene County, Pennsylvania. One shot, one kill. Greene County Outdoors.